Hi, my name is Lois Margolin, and I am going to be taking you through Zoom video settings. So let's get to it because there's a lot of confusion on how you use your video settings. First thing I'm going to do is I am going to share a PowerPoint so that we can show you some screens. We will be covering a full screen, an active speaker screen, gallery view, and what happens when somebody's sharing their screen with you. This is a full screen. Think of the full screen as if you were clicking the maximize button on your browser or internet. You can find it with these three buttons up here. You just click it and your whole screen is taken over by Zoom. To get out of it, you can either click exit full screen, press your escape button. Either one will do it. You'll see here there's something that says speaker view. Yours might say gallery view. You see, it's just a toggle. If you're in gallery view, which to me is you're seeing the Brady Bunch all across the screen, you'll see the option to go into speaker view. When you click speaker view, it allows the speaker to take over your entire screen. But fear not, you can still see your participants. Here is an active speaker in full screen mode. You'll notice the participants are down the side. If you have more than the 5 or 6 participants I have here, there'll be a little down arrow at the bottom of the participants so you can scroll through and see other people. If you have more than that, you can actually click an iframe, which will be on the left side of these pictures, and then you can see participants 2 by 2. And if you make that iframe bigger, you can make it 3 by 3. But here's the thing. The bigger you make that side, the less you get to see of your active speaker. So use it wisely. If you are not in full screen, then the participants will be up at the top, but it's the same thing. Now you'll notice there are these 3 thumbnails. This actually controls how you see your participants. If you click this, you're not going to see anyone. If you click this middle one, you will see the active speaker. And lastly, if you click the gallery view right here, you'll see all of your participants. Scroll through them so you can figure out who you want to actually be looking at. Remember when we were saying you can click up on the upper right corner speaker view or gallery view? Well, if you choose gallery view, this is what you get. It's the Brady Bunch or Hollywood Squares. And lastly, if your speaker is sharing their screen with you, you can still see the participants. You just have to decide if you want to hide them, only see the speaker, or see all of the participants. Don't be afraid to play around. The worst that can happen is you have to click a few extra screens. And this is your Zoom Video Settings 101.